Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. This is the size of a standard 2x2. This is a 54mm 2x2. This is a 2x2 with 3D printed extensions. I used the Chuwen, which is one of the more popular 2x2s for top solvers, or it was. It's been some time, so I'm sure that's not the same anymore. And I 3D printed extensions which looked like this. This was my test run, and this will be available for anyone to download. Now, a couple things with it. You can see the printing lines on mine, and you can also see it on here. So if you look really closely, I sanded some bit of it down and I spray painted it, but it's not exactly perfect. And you see some paint there kind of globbed up there. So I didn't do a ton of modding to it. And because of that, this one is not probably going to be competition legal. If I really want to be competition legal, I need to smooth things out a bit more. With the stickers, I used the full fitted stickers of the Waypo. Now, thinking again, I should have done something like the Volk. That way they're even larger. But I used full fitted stickers from Speedcube Shop using the fluorescent yellow, fluorescent green, fluorescent orange, light blue, light red. So how does it perform? Well, it performs pretty much like a top tier Speedcube with a few issues. The outside has a lot more weight. So there's a bunch of like centrifugal force on this that is making it spin a bit more. It's a bit heavier because of the added plastic. And that's kind of, the magnets don't do as much because of this added weight. As far as the pieces, if you look closely, you can see that the extensions are not as large as the inner part. And I did that on purpose. So the reason I did that, one, it still is competition legal because all the sides would look the exact same. But this way, whatever your preferred 2x2 is, you can put these on and they will fit. They will work. Now, you could technically make stickerless puzzles with this, where you just have to, instead of printing a full piece, you print it with like a 45-degree angle cut, and you print a bunch of different ones of 6 different colors and glue those on. And with this, we could keep adding on different sizes, make like 52, 53, 55, 56, and just keep on going. But I was happy with 54 because there was the Shengshou one, which was, not Shengshou, Fengshi. There was the Fengshi one that was 55 millimeters. The newest Fengshi one was supposed to have a 52.5, and then they just never produced it. I don't know why. So the standard size is 50 still, and we have things like the Volk and the GAN, which are 51 millimeters. I like this size. The corners are a bit sharp. I need to sand those down. But yeah, it performs great. So it still corner cuts most of the time. There we go. Because nothing's being inhibited with that, and reverse is great. So let's just do some random solves here. Let's see here. And then, yeah, almost forgot what that alg was. But yeah, it turns fine. I probably wouldn't use this in a competition right now. The weight is causing some issues with it. So if I did it, I'd probably want to find a lighter puzzle, a lighter 2x2, like the lightest one I could, and maybe add stronger magnets to it. That way it compensates for the added weight. Yeah, like I'm having some weird gripping issues with it because of that turning. And it's not, I guess it's flexing a bit. Let me try tightening the tensions, actually. Okay, so let's try that, a little bit tighter tensions. Oh, this scrambles awful. That's not too bad, I guess. Oh no, what am I doing to do here? Probably should have done a different alg there. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't use this for a competition. It's not performing as well as just a regular 2x2 would. And I go to this, and I'm getting like no lockups or anything, and it's just the light feeling so much nicer. This is again 251. So if I do a solve on here, then actually, could I do... No, I don't really remember how that goes. There we go. I'll do that. That CLL alg, which is not great. Okay. Okay. Anyways, I just want to show it off. It works. There's some issues with it. I know someone else who used 3D printed extensions on their 2x2. So Yushin, if you're watching this, let me know how yours was. So I know, wondering if the weight was also an issue like that. But I'll have this available if you want to check it out and just make a randomly larger 2x2 for kicks. Go for it. But yeah, other than that, thank you very much for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, step by speakreview.com for more news and reviews. Almost forgot.